All right, we're all packed up. We're ready to go. We're ready to continue our adventure. We're headed to Prince Rupert. We got 661 kilometers to go. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the road. Man, this place is so packed. There's 2 people camping out in the day use area, and all the overflow looks like it's all packed up. I'm very lucky and fortunate to find a place to camp the 2 nights ago, and I decided to stick it out because I must have seen probably 6 or 7 people pull in with trailers fully ready to camp, but all the campsites are full. So I kind of felt terrible if I was gonna leave and all these people just finally set up and they want to take my prime camp spot. Oh, well, yeah, like as soon as I left, one other lady pulled in and she's like, I'm taking your camp spot. It's like, okay, go ahead. Yeah. Like, I'm going. I'm vacating. Like, I'm moving on to the next location. I'm driving to Vanderhoof to go grab some stuff, fill some water, and then we'll be back on the road. We'll see you guys around the next bend. All right, just pulling into Vanderhoof. Apparently, this is the geographical center of British Columbia. Huh, who would have thought? I never knew that.
Columbia 16 west for 64 kilometers.
We're hitting the road. We're heading out of Vanderhoof. We're headed towards Terrace, slowly. Gotta get some gas. We're gonna stop in Burns Lake for sure. So today's gonna be a little bit of a driving day. Today is such a nice day for a drive, that's for sure. Although, even if it was raining, I would still be happy. All right, we're all fueled up, off to the next destination. This place is so buggy. I just washed my windows and I got 3 new bug gut stains on them. That's crazy. This highway's pretty buggy. 67 kilometers till the next destination. We're gonna stop at Burns Lake. We're gonna do some mountain biking up there. Wow, that was quite the drive. Well, we're just stopped here for a quick little lunch break. We're gonna have a couple eggs, a little bit of sandwich meat on a toasted bagel with herb and garlic. Yum. All right, I'm gonna pull out the toaster. I'm gonna toast up some bagels, and then we'll cook up some eggs, and then we'll hit the road again. There you guys go. bagel toasted, herb and garlic, a couple slices of deli ham, and a couple eggs, and there you go. That's my lunch. All right, guys, we'll see you guys after I'm done with the road. Man, it says it's 21.3 out there, but it sure feels like it's like 30 out there. But I think it's just because I've been in the cold for so long. I'm climatized to the cold weather. So I seriously can't wait to climatize to the heat again. Because holy crap, is it ever hot. Well, we're going to go find some refuge and get out of this heat. I'm going to get out of this parking lot. We'll finish our lunch. All right, guys, we'll see you guys around the next corner. Whew, it's hot out there. That's one slippery route. And this is why I blew my shocks. Whew. Look at this route. It's just like where I blew my shocks. Morphe. Reminds me of Morphe Lake. Oh, it smells so good out here. You guys don't even know. It smells so good. What is that smell? It's like nature's mint or something. It smells so good. Don't even have enough room to pedal. Man, the bugs are crazy out here. It's not the mosquitoes. It's these little tiny little flies. They're almost like big no-see-ums. Split some wood, so got that all taken care of. So we're going to start hiking up some water from the creek, which is just in front of the van. And we're going to start cooking some steak. I'm going to shower done, and that will be my night for tonight. I didn't bring the GoPro on me the first trip, but I did bring it to me on the second trip. But what I did miss on the first trip, I was riding along the Kager Lake trail, and a dog just jumped out in front of me and almost ran into it again. That's twice now I've been on my bike and I've almost ran into a dog when they're supposed to be either on a leash or they should be under control at all times. So they shouldn't have to chase people on the trail, especially riding a bike, because that's dangerous. Like I could just end over the handlebars, run over the dog, hurt myself, and yeah. But yeah, that would be not fun. So we rode 6.75 kilometers. We gained 200 meter elevation and it took us 49 minutes. And it's kind of cool that you get to see when you go up the hill and down the hill and up the hill and down the hill. I'd like to go all the way up to the top here somewhere and take one of the black trails down. I think that'll be pretty cool. I think that'll be a couple-hour ride for sure. So yeah, all trails is great for like tracking your route and it telling you like how many meters of elevation you've climbed and all that fun stuff. So it's like more of a hiking app. If you check out Trail Forks is where all the information is. Now, unfortunately, the pro version does download, or it does cost money, and you can only download one region for the free version of Trail Forks, but it is kind of nice to be able to check out the website and all the free stuff that you can access. And we're sitting here down at Kager Lake, and we're going to take one of the green trails, Huff and Puff. We're going to take Huff and Puff all the way to the top. Well, I haven't quite figured it out. We're going to take one of the trails down. I haven't quite figured it out. I'm going to look it up on the internet, and we'll make a plan, make a little ride trip, and then we'll take off and go mountain biking tomorrow. But that's a future problem. If you guys ever have troubles with sap and you have no way to get it off, just put a little margarine or butter on there, wash your hands with the butter, and then once you're done, take your soap and wash your hands in the Creek Lake, and it'll remove all the sap, because sometimes it can be difficult to remove, but it's actually very easy if you know what to do. Grab some butter, wipe your hands, clean them off, take some soap, wash the butter off, good to go. I'm just going to enjoy the campfire, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment on the video if you like anything or if you don't like anything. Just let me know. You know, if you got any questions, let me know. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.